Why you should wear Alba Botanica Sunscreen. Shields from harmful UV rays. Prevents premature aging. Lowers skin cancer risks. Lowers blotchiness on face. Prevents sunburns. Prevents tanning. Enhances health of the skin. A good cosmetic option. A wide assortment to choose from at inexpensive rates. You may not have to reapply after a swim. Sunscreen offers better protection than a full-sleeve dress. Description: Recommended skin cancer foundation. Active. Green tea. Broad spectrum SPF 45. Water resistant, 80 minutes. Reef Safe. Biodegradable. No Oxybenzone, Octinoxate, or animal testing. 100% natural fragrance. Botanically Moisturizing Sunscreen. Leaping Bunny certified. Hain Celestial. 100% vegetarian ingredients. Suggested use: apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Reapply after 80 minutes of swimming or sweating, immediately after towel drying, and at least every 2 hours. Children under 6 months, ask a doctor. Sun protection measures: spending time in the sun increases your risk of skin cancer and early skin aging. To decrease risk, regularly use a sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF 15 or higher, and other protective measures including limit time in sun, especially from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., and wear long sleeve shirts, pants, hats, and sunglasses. Warnings: for external use only. Do not use on damaged or broken skin. When using this product, keep out of eyes. Rinse with water to remove. Stop use and ask a doctor if skin rash occurs. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Protect this product from excessive heat and direct sun. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.